Today we are going to learn about the topic coherent and incoherent addition of the waves. So what are the difference between coherent source and the incoherent source? So coherent source means light emitted from the source has the same wavelength and the same phase. Incoherent source light emitted from the source has same wavelength but different phase. So source is coherent or incoherent depend on the phase. Same phase means coherent source. Different phase means incoherent source. Different phase means incoherent source. Let us take a drop of water in a beaker. So we have take two sharp pencil. Touch on the surface of water. We have take two sharp pencil. Touch on the surface of water. Immerse and move up and down on the surface of water. What happens when the wave fronts are produced? Then wave front on the one pencil intersect to wave front on the other pencil. At the same time, wave front on the other pencil also intersect on the first pencil. So what happens when the pencil immerses up and down in the surface of water? There are two types of waves are present. One is the crest, another one is the trough. So the dark line represents a crest. Then dotted lines represents a trough. So crest of the what happen when the two pencils are immersed in the water, move up and down. What happen? Crest of the one waves meet at crest of the other waves. Third point, crest of the one waves meet at crest of the other waves. Or trough of the one waves meet to the trough of the another waves. So the same type of waves intersect. What happen? Intensity will be maximum. Displacement is maximum. Intensity also maximum. So crest to crest, trough to trough of the waves are meet together. The interference is said to be constructive interference. The interference is said to be constructive interference. Fringes are bright fringes. Intensity maximum. So crest of the wave meet crest of the other wave. Trough of the one wave meet trough of the another wave. What happen? Constructive interferences occur. Constructive interferences occur. Fringes are bright fringes. Intensity will be maximum. In some point, opposite waves are meet together. So consider that point. Dotted lines, dark lines meet. So dark line represents a crest, dotted lines represents a trough. So that point, crest of the one wave meet trough of the another wave, or trough of the one wave meet crest of the another wave. So opposite waves are intersect to each other. So destructive interferences occur. Crest to trough or trough to of the wave, trough of the wave meet crest represents a destructive interference. So destructive interference occurred by crest of the one wave meet with trough of the another wave, or trough of the one wave meet with the crest of the another wave. So it means opposite. Crest means maximum positive displacement. Trough means maximum negative displacement. Crest represents a maximum positive displacement. Then trough represents a maximum negative displacement. So what is the net amplitude? 0. Positive amplitude plus A, negative amplitude minus A. What is net amplitude? 0. So intensity will be 0. Intensity is 0. Torque fringes are obtained. Torque fringes are obtained. So construct interference, bright fringes, intensity maximum. Destructive interference, intensity 0 or minimum, torque fringes. Intensity is 0 or minimum, torque fringes will be occurred. So for given example, constructive interference example. Constructive interference means crest to crest or trough to trough of the waves are meet. So the two waves are the same phase difference. For example, y1 is equal to a cos omega t, y2 is equal to a cos omega t. So find out the intensity. Find out the intensity. So applying the superposition principle. Applying the superposition principle. So what is the superposition principle? Net displacement is equal to sum of the individual displacement. Substitute y1 is equal to a cos omega t, y2 also a cos omega t. Same of the waves are intersect, crest to crest or top to top. So the two waves are has the same amplitude and the same angle also. So equal to 2a cos omega t. So intensity is directly proportional to square of the amplitude. Initial intensity is directly proportional to square of the amplitude. Find out the final intensity. Final intensity is equal to net amplitude is 2a. So 2a square is equal to 4a square. So final intensity is equal to 4 times initial intensity. Final intensity is equal to 4 times the initial intensity for the constructive interference. Constructive interference intensity will be maximum. How many times increases? In this case 4 times increases. So when the bright fringes are obtained, bright fringes are obtained, this is the condition for constructive interference. Next, what are the conditions for destructive? Then destructive interference occurs by crest of the one wave intersect to the trough of the another wave, or trough of the one wave intersect to the crest of the another wave. Crest maximum positive displacement, trough maximum negative displacement. So crest of the wave represented by y is equal to plus a cos omega t. Trough of the wave represented by y is equal to minus a cos omega t. Positive displacement crest, negative displacement trough. So y1, y2. From the superposition principle, net displacement is equal to sum of the individual displacement. So a cos omega t plus minus a cos omega t. So net displacement 0. So intensity also 0. This is called as a destructive, destroy. So net displacement 0, intensity also 0. Fringes are obtained in a torque. Torque fringes will be obtained. Destructive interference, torque fringes, intensity will be 0. So now the both the cases does not consider the phase. The phase will not be included. Now next example we have consider the phase. two waves. One is S1B, another one is the S2B. So S1B has a total distance 7 lambda. So there are 7 crests and 7 troughs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For 7 lambda, another one of the wave S2 has the 9 lambda. So what is the path difference? Del is equal to S2B minus S1B. Long path minus short path. So S2B is equal to 9 lambda, S1B is equal to 7 lambda. So the path difference del is equal to 2 lambda. Del is equal to 2 lambda. What are the relation between phase difference, path difference and wavelength? Pi is equal to 2 by lambda into del. Then substitute 2 by lambda into del is equal to 2 lambda is equal to 4 pi. So pi cancel. So y1 is equal to a cos omega t, y2 is equal to a cos omega t plus 4 by. So one of the waves a cos omega t. Another waves are omega t plus 4 by. The phase difference is plus 4 by. So cos 4 by is equal to cos 0, cos 2 by, cos 4 by are equal to 1. So y2 is equal to a cos omega t. y1 is equal to a cos omega t. So net displacement y is equal to y1 plus y2 a cos omega t plus a cos omega t. So equal to 2a cos omega t. Then amplitude is double t. So intensity is twice a the whole square. So intensity directly proportional to 4a square. So final intensity is 4 times the initial intensity. Then second is, these are the example for positive phase difference. Another one example for the negative phase difference. If S2B is equal to 7.25 lambda, 7 waves are fully completed, then 1 by 4th of another wave is completed. S2B is equal to 9.75 lambda, 9 waves are fully completed and 3 by 4th of another wave is completed. So S1B is equal to 7.25, S2B is S1B is equal to S1B is equal to 7.25, S2B is equal to 9.75. So for the path difference, del is equal to S1B minus S2B. So 7.25 lambda minus 9.75 lambda. So what happened? Minus of 2.5 lambda path difference. Phase difference pi is equal to 2 by lambda into del. So 2 by lambda, the value of del is equal to minus 2.5 lambda. So lambda cancels, equal to minus 5 pi. So y1 is equal to a cos omega t, y2 is equal to a cos omega t, phase difference is minus 5 pi. So cos pi, cos 3 by cos 5 pi is equal to minus 1, So y2 is equal to minus of a cos omega t. So y1 is equal to a cos omega t, y2 is equal to minus a cos omega t. Net displacement y is equal to y1 plus y2 is equal to a cos omega t minus a cos omega t is equal to 0. So net displacement become 0. This is example for the destructive interference. Maximum intensity for the constructive interference. Thank you.